How to join communities on Reddit. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily join different communities on Reddit. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Reddit application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So in Reddit, there are things called communities where you can join people with common interest. So as you can see here, in order to recognize the Reddit's community name, you can find the r slash and then right after that you'll have the community name. So this one's cute animals. And if you scroll down here, there are other communities here as well. So for example, this one is Nepal bikes. So let's say if I want to join the community, I can just tap on the community name to visit its page. And once you are here, you can see all of its top posts right here. Now, all you need to do here is simply go ahead and tap on the join button right besides the community name and then join it. So if you want to get notified whenever someone posts here, you can click on OK to turn on notification, but I'm not going to do that right now. Now, if you want to search for some specific communities, you'll find the search icon at the top right, tap on it. So let's say if I want to search for communities related with cars, I can just search for cars and hit enter. And here it will show all of the available cars. So communities right here, this one is the top one, which has over 7 million members. So I can just tap on it and all of the car related stuff will be on this Reddit right here. You can just go ahead and tap on join and you will now successfully join the community. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.